Oche mas.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Fashion. Oh, okay. That's a fashion mathematics count. It's a measurement. See. More the pi r square no yet more.
We school us.
Over my field. Now we are there.
No, you must say.
Come here, Dom.
I feel them what
I say.
I feel them what
Where?
Some more.
Are they?
That Baba na obey.
Right.
Is that what?
Over Pasichi.
Nice to see you again.
Oh yeah, it's good. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I go here how.
I don't know say I don't know how much. But still I ever. Near be dig Ghana come.
Yes.
You Ghana ko dey say I didn't say.
Sir.
Wa ka sa unim na say wa say da.
Minimum you don't catch them.
Apai.
You don't catch them.
E dey be papa dey koso. Eh? You say ka wo betra say na me maba. I'm a bizarre questions. I'm a bizarre questions. Say ka fini no mama dey back wa.
Ayi wo fa se back over.
That me wo na me bizarre.
Me dey mintimi here no.
What you no na dey. Say ade pa impact your life no so ntimi nka.
Oh,
ade back wa to say because it is here fini. Ade be pa na impact your life.
In fact, me feeling me.
What me feeling?
Me feeling me car.
Wa ka sa car.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Me feeling it.
Una no so fa to na ya teso na ya so.
No need the car. That for no still like
exactly. It no impact no. Enya wo. What I say?
Na me nka ho bi.
We because wo baby go school no fa car. Wo man is car kutia.
Nti se ne etoje wo mo so boa.
Bibia no
se de kosoro mu pija mu no. Aba for so mo.
But what me aye?
Also ye.
Onso pa se John. Nipa na wo no wo se nyama na aba fom no tutu ne nyama mu. Esi a wutie wo kan.
That is not fair. Say nya fair. Enya fair so obetutu ne nyama.
Na ka ono a o se yantete so no. Ono tutu ne nyama mu. Say wo a wo ye weka no. Ya ma 9% pay increase. Remember. And ya to kan ye mu say 28. And ya to what 15. It me ye adwuma how do I make up with 28 and 15 no. Say akwa 28 plus 15 plus 1. What I say? It is nipa no better no etimi aye. What I say? Services na so yatum. Services na na okoye olances ayatum. Okoye insurance ayatum.
Sometimes can impact. The impact no me direct one na make catch.
And I make who can say emfa. Because individual impact is what I say. Nipa do do say kwa netimi to.
Obaso busa me as an individual say e dey na impact me life.
As a family man no. Emu dia he. Bibia ni ho. What I say? -1 + 1. The same thing. You know, I don't know.
-1 + 1.
The same thing. The same cycle. They conform ye na hwe. And conform. And conform. Ba o kan o mo say dollar conform. And a dollar you see.
Na say dollar conform no wo hu ana.
Na akwa ifa. Dey be na ayama me.
Aba so hu say conform.
Aye den na ama wo. Wo dey be na wo to a wo dey dollar to. Wo last time wo dollar da be. Last time wo dollar da be. Ah wo ka say wo dey dollar ye transactions da be. Exactly, you know mo manager ayi e first mo boss e first media house e first
media general
e first oga kwata e first
CEO
aye e first Beatrice as a Beatrice no kokra nema we bi dia ba be adwuma that's the $10 manual Beatrice a benefit kama but wo tia say wo fa dollar nyehwe wo so na fa tia na okoto mu na ya o ka che ma ne say o dollar kopom de tia na eti oh ana ye o mo ye sika fo no te se mo ana mo benya sika to mo bag ba ko na o de akosi dem na wo se di kakra but o mo maka dodo na ye fight mo no o mo nyina didi abonten nipa dodo na to abonten aduane what I say it is what mo bag ba ko boto so na nipa ko na oton won no so what to niam mo to the sense say untimi ntimo no ma emma me meet won so live na that is cause 19 na all the can 19 na ho na wo say nyina na de ye ni hwe ye ka cha aban ni say if for nothing at all kra no onya bibi ma de ne nsane kakra
okay
o ma ne nsane
de na aban wo saban ya
won ma on titi niam so won titi ni taxes no on titi so
okay like
the 20% here or they akoto spare parts near there this week 20% VAT you know na 4% and I they akoto 20% nti nka oba ye no na nka wo di aba 1% so na amanfo hu say yes akwa na te so nti yeso ye dey ye tete so na aba be boaye osuo ya wo ba ye ya na ene na be 8% wo di free 8 as a 7 e di akwa ko do 28 wo ba ye 8 no na nka di aba 1% na 2% wo na amanfo so follow ni tete so na wo driving license wo koje a obetua o insurance wo yato so wo be bia academic university so mo hostel na dadi see ya tutum enti no
hostel dey say na mo say enya aban asem ye SRC
ana make adenti na papa no
SRC for na ye
adenti no mo ye na sa che say
bia omo de sika bi ahihye mo
ana anu ntia antecedent na mo de sika ni sim okay what I say reasons na wo ho na no na pusi nipa ma no so ye den ono so ekokoye sade no enti sade anka obi abetete nyama so enti aban de ma no mie na no kra enka nche obi aso wontete nyama so obi ani ho wose waka no kra waka say ya bufo kra no waka odi shenkofo won wan entity wan so
onso so ka say ma nyama
ontimi nte nyame nka say ma aban ne nka say obi ntete nyama so what I say eko leadership by example ne nyina ye hu ne sa ne de ko se si awo license exams wọ́n wẹ̀ bí ọmọ tí ọmọ kò tí a.
ẹnura ayi for NDC for senior no kura.
wọn kà jọ
yẹ twẹ ọ̀nà twẹ domu ntwẹ bọ́ọ̀lù ọmọ sẹ sika no a ọmọ ka ho asẹm no receipt for no deɛ no sɛ ɛkɔ soro by 400 Ghana no ɛnyɛ no kura.
nti deɛ na ɛyɛ no kura.
deɛ sɛ receipt na ɔmɔ twɛ nti the normal by
normal yi na ɔmɔ tua
the normal one na ɔmɔ tua.
ba ɔka kyerɛ sɛ sɛ obi twɛm.
yes.
ɛna yɛ twɛm. It won't say the deception is animal. No, what a problem. No,
Doctor,
I'm not part of the country. Think of one there, Charlie. Oma pim. Oh, and Oma deceive nipa. Oma deceive nipa kasiapa. Me anu na hamajune. But still, I'm going to be tea myself.
But how?
How me? I don't know me. Deception
be any and they when you be king.
Oh, this I had you. One would deceive nipa yao.
Because I say how na make us say na when you be king.
I have deception there. What I say, obi deceive ya pa. What I say, ya pa.
Akwa ni zumbuza say ya pa.
Ya na nya ya.
Ya musmu deceive ye bi.
That you deceive mo.
Oh za.
Oh yes. Yeah, catch us first year no agenda no.
Anya de kwotro aba na wa nya no. De obebu koye no. De obebu koye no a amamu na bebu koye no na.
Amamu papa be na che ye de.
Oh, sir.
And people in men, as I'm more, you know, say, they now bet you. Oh, they do that for the Panuquate. I said, you have been 27 years. That's any number, and in I couldn't say in touching Yamu. A try a Yamuya. Now, for my and you see, no more 27 years, only a bibia. Mamma come out and say, deception, no, wouldn't think I was deception now, can be deception. Deception, Debbie Uti. Deception na ewu wan kasa wudi mu mame kasa mu tie akofo no o mo bedada ye na settings na o mo ye Ghana for na mo nso no na m say bia emire bi atwa mo na mo pe o mo asem ti no mo ntimi kasa de no mu ye no o mo nyi ni ye entro mo be dia chaye me the first one pa esoko me ye tama o be ka che say Nana Akufo-Addo e di gold no okosisa gold ni free association center ho e di akọ or the bullion van bia besi ho ya de ko United Arab Emirates e man kofo ya me ne kofo
ombo Akufo-Addo di
he says around but the one people around no one or refer to Akufo-Addo say Akufo-Addo no person mu hwia Ghana gold no asema no mu kan ada na wo ka bia mamu
manti asia bam
Akufo-Addo no person mu hwia gold ne ko it will the bullion van
I remember the story.
Man kofo ya me ne kofo nyina kogu ho e ko wie sei enti e ko bita na nado ana kana nado wasi na mfom ana ode bobo ni trimu kuna e ko kunu kwa